pulling up now at Fast N Rowdy. Go see if anybody's awake this morning. Yep. It's like Crystal's old car. Well, I don't know if anybody's up yet. Nah. I think we're here early today. We done caught them before they got out here. Flag's not blowing yet this morning. They'll be up in a minute. Man.
He's running out of fuel and he shouldn't be. So like, we put a pump in it, but it already had a good pump. So either the pump was going bad, we found some wiring, that, you know, the grounds were kind of small, we put larger wires. Yeah, it's a really nice car, so it's odd that it would be running out of fuel with good parts.
Yeah.
You get one of these older cars, it's got so many mods on it, and it can just be one or two little things here or there that are out of sight, out of mind, and it's just creating problems for the entire car. You know, newer Coyote cars, you know, there's just not that much touched on the car. You know what I mean?
Right.
You'd be making 700 horsepower and somebody's only working on it for 8 hours.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Something like this to make 700 horsepower, somebody's worked on it for 800 hours.
Yeah.
Right? So there's just all this little stuff all over the place that you got to go find.
Good morning, good morning.
It's time to tune. I mean, and we tell people all the time, if the car is 100%, it tunes really easy, right? Like if a tune is taking too long on a Fox body, there is something you need to go find that is making it take this long, like all these workarounds and band-aids and whatnot.
Right.
And you know, that doesn't happen as much on a Coyote or even like anything modular.
Is that a big filter too? Does it have a big filter too?
No, I always got that one little thing. But it looks very high flow on the inside. Like it's made to pick up big trash. Like full size lint, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
If this doesn't get us what we want, I'm just gonna put
Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison.
Whoa, giant to a maggot, big boss status. Ain't gon' lie, I really wish they would like a cabin. I ain't do no front and get my money on the back end. Yesterday's price ain't today, now we taxing. Way out the fear, ain't no way out for me. They always told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state, ain't no way I could be. Out here living like a villain, only way up for me. Moving out the purges, I give time if it was worth it. If you coming for my fam, then you know I take it personal. Say that you the GOAT, I asked around, I never heard of you. Rocky road ahead and there's some things I had to hurt of. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, windows down so all the haters see me. Back then they didn't want me, now they wanna be me. Keep the grass cut low, cause them snakes still sleep.
Going on, fam. So a customer just came about this dark horse, man. This thing looks some kind of good.
Always no food, man. I always finish off the plate and contemplate. Trenches, baby, can't believe we made it safe. Something out of nothing, yeah, we made a way. So hungry, think I overate. Every single shot, then I'm thinking John Wick. Every loss got a lesson.
Hopefully Caleb will be pulling that thing in here in a little bit so we can get a better look.
We got options. Pick your poison or just pick a side. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Pick a side, pick your poison. Ain't no picking on me, y'all about to get me going. Yeah, pick a side.
shout out to Caleb over there at Fast N Rowdy for taking care of us like he always does. He's the only one that works on our cars. He's the tuner for the Mach, and he did a great job, as you can tell, with Crystal's car. And man, if anybody needs anything, if you got a 3-valve and you want to go fast, he's your guy. If you need to get in touch with Caleb, hit me up in the comments and let me know, and I'll put you in touch with him at Fast N Rowdy, and he can get you going. Appreciate it.